Hello, this is Jennifer, and I wanted to give you an update on my fabric storage solution. This is I guess it's a shoe holder. Somebody gave it to me and thought, oh, I could put fabric on that. Well, I put fabric on it, all right. All kinds of fabric and clothing that I didn't want to use anymore, that I want to use the fabric from. And this whole thing was full and overflowing and I couldn't move it anymore. I thought, oh, it's great, it has wheels and I can move it and just then I can get to my stuff easy. But that didn't happen. I couldn't get to my stuff easy. So what I did is I've been breaking down each piece into usable parts and things that I can't use I throw away, and things I can, I've been storing them in rolls. Like this was a tie that got mutilated from laundry or whatever. So I took it apart and it have this nice silk now from this tie I can use in journals. I think this was a shirt and I love the pretty light pink and blue. Let's see if I can find some more. This was a pillowcase the kids had. They didn't want anymore, and it's so pretty. It could work for a kids journal or something. This right here was a dress just full of lace, and that's what's left of that. Plus I had some few smaller pieces. The smaller pieces I stuck over here in my new vintage looking holder that I made from hat boxes. That's a different video. But anyway, it's getting done slowly but surely. This has taken 2 days. This is the third. So I'll give you another update when it's all done. See you later. Bye bye.